got this from my daughter in a Christmas gift, and I'm going to use this for my doll, as the horse I have right now is not tall enough, but this one should be. So you were so kind to give it to me. Anyway, I'm going to open this. This is a Saddel Star and this is Sky. I'm not sure if you can get other kinds of horses. So it has a about me here. So that's one end of the box. And it's actually right here on English. So now you can read it yourself. So let's get into this box. It's like, I don't know why it's like that crooked, but it is. So yeah, let's get this horse out of here. And if you are making 1 to 12 miniature, then save these pieces. Because these are actually really cool for miniature. This one. So, if you are a fan of my froggy stuff, she would say that this is a really nice background and that could be used for a scenery or something, and that you should take care of it. First we have a tiny brush with a horseshoe and a flower, and I have 3 hair things with a flower on. Then there is this little plastic bag where you can actually have stuff in there, and the bag itself is made of plastic, but this is actually fabric, like this. This is really nice fabric. A bracelet, I think I can use that for something on a piece of clothing for my girl. So let's put that aside. And then it has these 4 times 2 horseshoes. I kind of like this one to have it in, so you know where it is. So they are kind of rubbery, but they're kind of awesome. I kind of like those. And the horse, let's take the horse. Let's take a look at that. And it has this annoying thing to keep the hair in place. So I have all these small things all over when I'm done here. Very, very long hair. Maybe a bit too long if you ask me. Then there is another elastic band here, all the way around, and on the leg here as well. Careful that you don't scratch the horse when you remove this. And more on the tail. It have a nice long tail here. Actually, I think the tail could have been thicker. It's not that thick. Could have been easily twice as big. Anyway, it's nice. I like the pose of the horse, and there is a rubber band more. Okay. They're like all over. I don't know why everything has to be packed like that. Okay, let's have a look. I think this one can be taken off the horse. Yes, it can. And see, a new rubber band. Oh man. No, no, no. Yeah, got that off. And that's a nice piece of cloth. I like the patterning here. And let's see, is this possible to get off? I think it is. Yeah, it is. Whoops.
Thank God.
So there we go. I'm not that much into plastic. This is really neat, but I really kind of hate that flower here. It's like so not real. So I might take this one off and paint the green leaves here because they are also kind of plasticky. And then make another flower and place there a blue one that match my girl. Because I actually like the way this is working. And the saddle itself is also very decorated, and it has a lot of things. And here you can put this bag in. See if I can place it like that, so you can have it hanging on the horse. Only thing I would think is like, why? That looks kind of stupid, but otherwise it's kind of neat. And you can take it off again. That's actually kind of neat. So that's the horse itself. I might go one day and cut it off around here because I think it's a little too much hair for this one, for me and for what I'm going to use it for. But altogether it's a very, very pretty horse. I like the face and the eyes. Yeah, it's very pretty. And the last thing, we need to try out these shoes on it. Let's have a look. So it have like a hole in there and a fitting thing on the shoe. So you just... And I dropped it. I'm gonna pick it up in a second. And I can't get these up. And place that. What also makes the horse a tiny bit taller again, what it also is cool, it's not standing that good. It's very jiggly, or what you call that. And if we take my girl, you will notice that she is a nice height compared with the horse, and they're really good together. So I think, because she is a bit taller than a Barbie doll, so I think the Barbie doll would be perfect for this horse because of the height of it. So I will make a few pictures of her and the horse together, and that's it. I hope you like this video. I really recommend this horse. This is a very, very cool horse, and I like the height of it. Only the length of this is a little annoying because that will be in the way when I'm going to make pictures. And I think the tail of it is a bit flimsy. And the last piece, I would love this leg to go a little lower so it would be more stable than it is now. So I might do something to support it so it's not falling over every time that I'm using it. But otherwise it's very pretty. I like the hooves and I like it. So I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching.